What's going on? Are you ready to go somewhere?
Uh-huh. What is it?
Where is it?
A park.
Hi, I have to brush my teeth. I have spinach dip in my teeth. Yeah, that's nice. Get a close up on that. Will that look better? Or the pants still look bad?
I think those pants don't go with anything. That's just me though.
But this is black.
So, what's up?
So, I'm getting my hair done. Okay, but first we have a family doctor appointment. So this should probably take like 30 minutes in here for all of us. I don't know how long the wait is, but we're gonna see if we're all okay. We're gonna take some blood work.
It's not a
Raphael's a boy.
It's how he growed up.
Yeah.
Go
Are you gonna get your blood
he
taken?
goes in a bathroom.
You gonna go to the bathroom when you grow up?
You getting your blood taken? You better
No,
not get it.
I'm never gonna be a girl.
That's Abigail's theory.
Oh, when you
I'm
oh,
not gonna be taken.
No, you're not. You stay with your parents.
No,
nobody
blood
gonna take
taken.
you.
If
Blood
I have other parents,
You only get a set of parents in your lifetime. One
I
set of
got
parents.
other parents.
You do? Who are they?
Grandparents. Grandparents is what you call them.
Grandma and grandma.
Grandma and grandma, yeah?
And grandpa and grandpa.
Yep.
Israel grandma and grandpa, American grandma and
Grandma,
grandpa.
grandma, and grandpa and grandma.
Okay.
One grandpa and three grandmas, silly, right?
Those are grandparents. Good job, Abigail. That's smart thinking.
Eat on it.
We don't eat on there. We take our blood on there.
On
Yeah.
You remember how they took your blood? I wasn't part of that one.
No, you
blood
weren't.
off
I was.
I don't have
She was very
blood.
good, though, I
Yes,
think,
you do have.
from what I remember.
I
Raphael's
have
good at
it.
taking
Oh.
blood.
Took blood.
Yeah.
Rafael and I.
Mommy,
Yeah, you
'cause
did.
I got blood in my body.
You do?
I do.
Raphael, do you have blood in your body?
Everyone does.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
And
everyone
you
in the
got
world.
a red horsey.
I thought I had nitrogen in my blood.
What?
Only if you drink
You got
NOS.
a red horsey, Raphael.
Moss?
No.
NOS.
What's
No,
moss?
Nitrogen
You
oxide.
got
Stop that. Stop.
you got a horsey on your shirt. Red.
A red horse.
Wrangler.
The intricate
I get
conversation.
a horse.
Toddler.
That's a
Yes.
stick.
Child.
There is no horse on your shirt.
It's only black.
That's right.
I'm only.
And it's pink and white too. If the skirt's connected.
It is.
Okay, so it's pink, white, and black.
That's right. And then she got black shorts.
Their realities are so different.
Pink, white, and
It's true.
black. You. And then it leaks.
The blood leaks? No, it doesn't really. So I have a hair appointment right after this. And
I got
We're hopefully we're not going to be late.
I need blood.
I've got a feeling
You don't need blood work.
that you're gonna be
I
late
do.
for it.
And you'll sit on Daddy's lap or Mommy's.
Yeah, come here.
If you're sitting on that chair.
You waiting for Raphael? Okay. Go sit in the chair
Oh no, this is my chair.
then. Okay, time to get my hair done. We're almost late. It's okay. You know, this is the first time we've seen a doctor since we've been in America. We had to get, you know, completely enrolled and everything with all of our information. So we have that done. Raphael is going to start taking Claritin or Allegra, 5 milligrams, just to see if he gets better. It is an allergy medicine. She thinks his because his lungs sound fine. She thinks his congestion in his throat and his throat is fine. She thinks it might be from postnasal drip. He has no pain, he has no limitations, he has no fever. So she prescribed cough syrup for right now, and we have to go pick that up at Walgreens. And she said to get him on Allegra or Claritin, 5 milligrams. The adult dose is 10, I believe she said, so she's like, give him 5 for a 6-year-old. So we'll see after probably a week, see if he gets rid of his cough completely. You know, when he was going to school, he was always sick. Here it wasn't so much that he was sick all the time, but he did get us sick several times when he went to school here. For like a month and a half he went to school in America. we'll see if he's getting sick from kids or if he's getting sick from allergies. Yep, waiting for us. I am almost at the hair salon. My friend recommended this, my friend from high school. I asked her where she went because she had really nice hair. She's always had nice hair though.
Hi, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
He already knows that when the camera goes on, he says, hi guys. Okay. Raphael, I have a very special surprise for you.
What is it?
I told you I was going to get you one.
What is it?
Open it.
Oh, what is this?
What do you think it is?
To look into your skin or something?
It's kind of like that. It is a microscope.
Oh my goodness!
It's mine. Yeah. I looked through it.
You look through it?
Oh,
So I
it's
told him I was going to
actually
get him a
mine.
microscope. Do you like my hair?
Open it.
I don't think I showed my hair yet.
Can
Do you
I
like
look
it?
at? Can I
Yeah.
look at?
So, she did me good. I like her and I'm going to go back to her. She wants to do not a keratin treatment, but a blowout. I thought that they were way more expensive in America,
Don't
but
pick.
it's actually only $150.
I'm trying to take the
And she
tape
said it lasts for up to 6 months and it
Take
stacks.
tape off.
So like every time I get it, it gets better and better. So I probably end up doing that
Through it like this.
sometime. $300 for straight hair for a year. It's a pretty good deal. All she did was my roots today. She did toner just like what everybody else does. And I said, are you able to do this again next time? And she said, what do you mean? And I said, well, can you do the same exact color
Replicate.
next time? Yeah. And she's like, oh yeah, I'm very consistent. I said, okay. I'm happy with that. She said there was a little patch in the back. I haven't looked in the back. All she did was trim it today, and she straightened it. Her hair straightener was much better than mine, so I went and got, it's not like it was much better than mine because I have a really good hair straightener. It's a Remington Wet 2 Straight, but it's this wide, you know what I mean? And I don't have much hair. So I got this one, a Remington Pro Curl, and the feature that sold me was the auto shut off, and I have a very big problem with, did I shut the curling iron off or the thing, you know? So auto shut off's good. So it's a 1 inch. I don't have much hair. I could probably run this twice through my hair and be okay. Oh, and for him I also got this. Oh, that's for her birthday. She said to cut this in half. This is the generic equivalent of Claritin. She said cut this in half because these are 10. She wants him on 5 milligrams. And she said to wash his nose out. I don't remember how, what did she say, every day? With nasal spray. Because he's getting the post-nasal drip into his throat and it's irritating his throat and making him cough.
Can I open it?
What do you want to look at first?
My skin.
That your we'd have to take your skin off. You want to do that?
You're kidding. You're
I'm
kidding.
really not. You can't just stick it under there. You have to have a slice of it.
It pulled my skin off.
It comes with 300, 600, and 1200 magnifying. It's die cast, which means it's metal. That's what kiwi seeds. This is what a butterfly looks like.
Is it mine?
Wow.
It's Raphael.
You can play with it,
Can I
but
open
you
it?
have to ask Raphael, okay?
Can I open it?
Yes.
I already took the tape off.
Oh, you did? Good job. There.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It came with.
You have to slide the foam out, and when you store it, you have to store it in that box, okay? So it doesn't get broke. 'Cause there's mirrors and stuff in it.
Ooh.
Wow. Ooh, it's Vivitar. That's a camera company. A scalpula. Okay, put it right there. The scalpula.
Sophia.
What do
This
you
is
need?
where you put your specimens. These are labels and slide covers, and this is the slides. This is awesome. You use the computer to help you, and it shows you, it's augmented reality. It shows you what they look like under the microscope.
Huh.
So that's cool.
Garbage.
Are you gonna put it in the garbage?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, Abigail.
I'm not going to tell you which that is.
It's a microscope.
I'm not going to tell you. Okay?
It's a microscope.
I'm not going to tell you, I said.
I know what it is already. And I just
Wow. Here, come bring it at the table. Because you have to have a table to do it on, yeah?
Mommy, you missed a lot of stuff to take out with me.
It's all yours. Okay, we have to read the directions.
And the directions are, well, 197 likes and only 197 subscribers, which is all you on the camera, and also 20 comments.
20
comments.
Oh, yeah, you're right. 20 comments, 197 heart.
I went down this
Wow, yeah.
hill, and you've got to watch it. Do you let me to turn that bike on? The bike video?
You can turn it on, Rafael. This is our Instagram, FoolyLiving. If you want to leave comments, it'll be on there.
It's in slow-mo.
You what? You what?
And I can trip over the branch, easy.
Wow.
Look.
You went, that was really far down, and I'm very proud of you. On the video, you'll never see it looking as steep as it actually is. But it is very steep, and he was very brave.
I tried it to see if Daddy was right.
Yeah, he definitely was right. You proud of yourself? Let's see how many likes you... Ooh, 2,394 people saw it, Rafael. 2,000 people. Hey, Abigail.
Hey!
You gonna learn to ride a bike so you can have
Maybe
video?
in Israel they'll subscribe.
When you were in Israel, yeah.
I watch TV.
You
I
do.
said Papa Joe.
It's nighttime, so we probably will watch TV.
I mean, 4 years after me, after my age, I'm gonna be 10 and she's gonna be 6. That's math. I'm a math whiz.
This is your world, your creation.
I can play the puzzles free, but there's games over there that I can complete.
What is he, an NPC?
Another one?
Stuck.
We got 2 NPCs